Today we're gonna be eating yummy food. We're gonna have French toast for breakfast, chicken nuggets for lunch, and also vegan quiche for dinner. Quiche. But before we start, today's video is sponsored by VS Pink, and we're gonna have a special discount code for you guys, so stay tuned for that. And let's make our French toast day. To make French toast, you need a loaf of bread. This is made by me. It's high in protein, low in carbs, really healthy, really high in fiber. The recipes are always on my website, so if you want to check it out there. We're gonna be cutting this up and soak it in the custard sauce and then fry it on the pan. Where is my bread knife? Is this thick enough? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, I'm gonna cut off the top. I don't want dry French toasty. And then I'm gonna cut it up into like sticks. I think that's a lot of bread. I can't finish this much. This bread is so freaking good, you guys. So I've cut up my bread into like sticks like this because it's gonna soak up the sauce a lot better and it's gonna be tastier. And the bread is super yummy, you guys. You gotta try it out if you want a low carb, high protein, high in fiber bread that's gonna keep you full for a long time. Try this bread out. So for the custard sauce, I'm gonna use 200 grams. Actually, you know what? 100 grams of milk is enough. A teaspoon of vanilla extract, which I'm not gonna measure because it doesn't matter. Where is my teaspoon? We're gonna use a teaspoon of cinnamon. I love cinnamon, so lots of cinnamon. Maybe a little bit more vanilla extract though. Some stevia and a pinch of nutmeg. So just tiny little bit. And we're gonna be using the this is not a lemon! An orange. The peel of half an orange. Because you know, trying to be fancy. Just a little squeeze of orange juice. Half a lemon. I am so fucked in the head. So half an orange. And I think that's it before we add an egg to it. And I'm gonna add that last because I want to taste the sweetness of this custard. Oh, damn, this is intense. 1 large egg. Oh my god, it's spilling everywhere. And then now we're gonna soak our breadsticks in here. And see, this is actually really easy to make, but because I'm making it for the video, it takes a little bit longer. We're gonna soak it for about 5 minutes. Hey everyone, it's a 5-minute breadstick ab workout. Okay, let's not do 5 minutes. I feel like that's too long. Let's soak this for 2 minutes. And I'm gonna heat up the pan. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of avocado oil. Not much at all. So we're not using a lot of oil. And then I'm gonna pop this on the pan and fry it. And that's it. I'm gonna show you guys the final product because nobody wants to see me fry stuff because it's gonna be disastrous. Okay. Big sad. I got some mushy French toast because you know the bread's too soft. But it's okay. We still have about 2 thick slices of bread or 2.5 slices of bread, so that's good enough. Okay, we're gonna plate it up now. Okay, it's done. It took me forever to take the photos, so I'm gonna finally start eating. I actually ate the crumbled ones there. So I'm gonna dip this into this soy yogurt over here. Oishii. So I've glazed a little bit of this on top of some of the toasty toast. I have 2 more maple syrup and I'm gonna try them all today because I've never actually compared, there's a lot, the taste of these maple syrup. We got dark maple here, not so dark maple, and the sugar-free one. So this is sugar-free and it's really low in calories, and these 2 are made from Canada and this is from Australia, and there's no maple in here. It's just natural maple flavor with sweetener. We're gonna start with this because I think this is the light one. Man, this just tastes like sugar, like pure sugar. Now I'm gonna try this. I really like this one. Grade A maple syrup. Is this not grade A? This one doesn't taste that good. Wow, this is like so high in calories compared to the other one. Interesting. So the dark maple is low in calories and it's also a lot nicer. This is clearly not maple syrup. is fake maple syrup. And for the last one, we're gonna try some homemade Nutella. Yes, drizzle it. There's barely any fat on this French toast, so it's okay. Okay, Nutella sauce is my favorite. Last breadstick. Okay. So I had the same breakfast a couple of days ago and it kept me full for hours because of the fiber content and protein. So if you want something that keeps you full and happy, try this one out. It's pretty low in calories as well because of the bread, and also we barely use any oil to cook it. So yes. Good. Hello, I'm back. So like I said earlier, we got something special for you guys. You can get 20 off VS Pink seamless leggings just for you guys, not for everyone else. So I'm gonna pop this on me right now so you guys can have a look. So this is how the shorts looks like on me. You guys have seen this before. I've worn the seamless set numerous times. I've got the pink one and blue one, so you guys know how it looks like from my videos. So the seamless leggings are currently on 20 off just for you guys, So just use leggings 20 to get 20 off. Yes. Okay, we're gonna be making some healthy chicken nuggets with rice crumbs, so it's gluten-free. It's also gonna be oven baked with 0 oil, so it's a lot lower in calories, a lot healthier, just protein and good stuff, yummy stuff. It's gonna be a Chipotle chicken nugget flavored chicken nuggets. What the hell? We're gonna use about half a teaspoon of chipotle powder. You can add a little bit more or less. More or less, depending on how spicy you can go. There was a lot of paprika powder. Smoked paprika. I should have touched it. My fingers are gonna be spicy now. It's chipotle. Oh, I can feel the spiciness on my fingers. Alright, it's okay, it's okay. Some black pepper, salt. Now I'm gonna mix it in. Maybe a little bit more. So it's red, hot, spicy. Okay, now we're gonna assemble our chicken nuggets together. It's very easy. I've preheated my oven to fan grill if you want it crispy. Okay, I'm still really full from breakfast. We're gonna start with the chicken, and this is potato starch, and that's an egg, and that's just the rice crumbs. Okay, let's start. We have our chicken chicken pieces. So coat it in potato starch. Oh, my nose, the chipotle is strong. Oh my goodness. It's spicy, you guys. Oh, my nose. Okay, second one. Dust off excess starch. Coat it in Eggo, and then pop it into the rice crumble. And that's it. It's very easy. Make sure it's fully coated because you want any juice from the chicken to be absorbed by the flour. Oh, my nose. I think I added a little bit too much chipotle today. I think I have about 250 grams of chicken or 300 grams of raw chicken. I'm not really sure. I didn't actually measure it. Keep going, guys. We are almost here. We have 12 pieces of chicken. But here it is. I'm gonna pop this in the oven for about 12 to 13 minutes. 8 minutes, then flip it around. Now we're gonna make some honey mustard sauce. Homemade mustard sauce. We're gonna use some soy yogurt. We're gonna use about 60 grams. You can use Greek yogurt, it's just because I have soy. That's 80 grams. Pop it back in. 30 grams of mustard. Oh, 30 grams. A little bit more. And then my lemon. A squeeze of lemon. We need to do this quick because the chicken is almost done. Oh god. Okay, got it. Okay, let's use about a tablespoon. You don't have to use a full tablespoon. You can go, okay. Oh, that looks so good right now. Instead of honey, we can add some stevia because the honey is obviously a lot higher in sugar content. Chicken is done, you guys. Chicken is done. Okay, let's go. Here, it's just some salad leaves, avocado, some nuts, paleo nuts and seeds with the honey mustard sauce and more chicken on the side. Let's eat the chicken because it's not gonna be crispy soon. This is so good. Seriously, you don't really need sauce for it. It's juicy on the inside and crispy on the outside. Come closer, come closer. Zoom, zoom. Focus. There. How crispy does that look? Oh, I'm really full, you guys. That was a lot of food. But now, I'm gonna go to the clinic to get my leg lasered. I burned my legs in case you guys don't know this, because a lot of you guys are new. So I burned my leg about 2 to 3 years ago on my thigh, one of my thighs. And it was a 2nd to 3rd degree burn. I normally put some foundation on it when I take like photos or videos. It was a very terrible experience. So now I'm gonna laser it. It's been more than a year since I've been to the clinic because of COVID. So finally I'm going back. I'm gonna show you guys my leg because it's gonna be super red later. I'm gonna show you how it looks like raw without any foundation. So this is how my leg look like right now. It's a lot better than what it used to be. But this is the part that's like really burnt, 3rd degree. Like all over here, 3rd degree as well. And all these are like maybe 2nd degrees. So I'm gonna get it lasered. I'm back and this is how it looks like after laser, CO2 laser. It feels like it's burning a little bit, but it will be okay by tomorrow. You can see that there's a lot of spots here. These are all my scars because the patch was this big, but it has gotten a lot better, honestly. Yeah, I'm not complaining. This is a lot better than what it was 1.5 years ago. Yeah, okay, let's have dinner. It's dinner time. I'm having vegan quiche. I made this yesterday because I know I wouldn't have time to make it today. Today, I think I'm gonna have 3/4. So this block and half of this because I want to have a little dessert. My doctor told me that the scar on my leg will always be there. The skin on my leg will never be the same again. It's just this rubbery texture and pigmentation from the burn. It's gonna fade away, but it's just always gonna be there. It's not gonna be the same again. That's what he told me. He just didn't want me to get my hopes up. So yeah, that's an update about my leg in case if you're interested. Let's have a bite of this first. The main ingredient here is tofu, nutritional yeast, and lots of vegetables like pumpkin, capsicum, zucchini, spinach. So it's super healthy, low carb. There's only 150 grams of pumpkin for the entire thing. Should I time-lapse this? Do I have to prove myself to anyone? Do I? Does it matter? Because someone else is gonna find something else to talk about. I speed ate this and my stomach is not feeling really good right now because I ate too fast. That's the reason why I don't eat in front of the camera, because I try to finish it as quick as possible and it's not good for my digestion. I'm gonna rest for a bit and I'll come back for dessert. It's not too hot. This is the last thing I'm gonna have for the day. Just a little bit of chocolate in there. Melty chocolate. I'm so full. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share this video with friends. All of those nice stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Ciao. Annyeong. Sayonara.